both sticks. Switch to a first stick to run. It's gonna spool up. I'm gonna slowly lift off. About 10 feet in the air. Quick spin. Okay. That's tail to us. Left. Right. Back left to the center. Left. Right. Let's take it forward. Let's bring it back. It's losing a little bit of height. Let's switch the second stick down to circle flight. That's circle flight, automatic circle flight. Good tight circle. All right, let's switch down to figure 8 flight. Let it do its figure 8 flight one more time. Pretty good at it. We'll switch back into normal flight now. Let's go back into normal. Let's take it up in the air about 30 feet. Go back some. Do a bit of some flying. This is in GPS normal mode. It has a larger battery with a higher C rating on it. Let's land and let's try. I'm gonna dare to try 3D. All right, so let's down and out on the sticks, both sticks, and let's chop her up. Let's see how I do. If I crash it, I'm sorry, y'all. Because I don't know how to fly in 3D. Oh, yeah. Oh, wow. So this is angle mode. And, yeah, I'm scared. Because it's fast. It's touchy. Let's see if I can do. Woo! Let's go to 3D mode. Let's take her up. There we go. I mean, we in GPS mode now. I'm a little scared of 3D mode. I need a bit of work. Let's take her down and try 3D again. I wonder how much battery got left. Let's switch to 3D one more time. Oh no, I'm not. I bent my back tail. You see it spinning? You see it spinning? We are not going into 3D mode. Oh no. Ooh, I set her down hard. Let's go ahead and put it back in GPS mode. I'm not messing with 3D mode. I don't want to destroy it. First switch down to run. Let's see if it spins. Let it spoil up to idle. And let's take off real gently. All right, so it just took control and went up into the air on its own, and elevated in the air on its own. The battery voltage is low. I do have that set to on. Now it's descending. And let's see if we can put it on the helipad.